Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chandelier. I'm the host and creator of this YouTube channel right here. And I'm also a licensed esthetician. I make videos to help you figure out your journey. And if you're inspired by that, make sure you subscribe down below. Today, you guessed it from the title, is a room tour. All of it. So you're in for a treat. Let's go. Alright y'all, let's go into my treatment room. I'm going to give you the price of everything. I also put together an Amazon storefront for you guys. So if you want to go and purchase anything that you see, I will have links to those. So starting off, there's a chair in the corner. You can find a chair for about $100 or so, maybe $145. That stand usually can range about $70 or so, and the diffuser's $15 to $20, okay? These vines you can order online. I got mine for about $10 to $12 each, and I got 4. Here is a towel warmer that I have. This was provided by the spa, and I love this towel warmer. It can hold roughly about 20 towels pretty easy, and it gets hot really fast. I would highly recommend it. It also does have the UV light, which is so great for sanitation purposes. Here is my sound bowl. I did purchase this out of pocket. This sound bowl particularly, I think, was a little too expensive, so I'm going to link to some less expensive ones because I paid $170 for that bowl alone. Now we're going to talk about one of my favorite features in my room, and it is my treatment table. Whenever someone lays on my treatment table, they're always like, wow! And it's because it has a heated pad as the top layer, then a nice thick layer of memory foam, and then you have the actual table itself. And I just love these sheets. I thought it was like really fun and geometrical, and it just adds to the vibe that I'm going for in my room. What I love best about this treatment table is that it lifts incredibly high, so you can go from a sitting service to a standing service extremely quickly. And it is a wide table, so I've had almost every size client on it, and I've lifted every size client that I've had. And I've had no issues. I would highly recommend. It is expensive, so, take your time on that one. These shelves can range anywhere to about $10 each, so just keep that in mind. This cart holds all of my products. It's not a rolling cart. It does have wheels on one side, but it's more stationary. There's a glass container back there holding cotton rounds. I actually got that as a gift, and I love it. I love that it's see-through. It's super cute. Here are some LED lights that I use in the room. One is for wrinkles and one is for acne. I actually just did an acne LED treatment on me, and it works so well. I'd highly recommend LightStim. Here is my Barbicide container. This is a glass manicure jar is another form. And I got it in my kit, but if you need extras, you can obviously find them on my Amazon store. There's some storage options that I'll list for you guys, super affordable. My dermaplane stuff in there, even my handles, and I also get some of the blades on there. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I obviously use some other sites as well, but in a pinch, you can find some really great blades and scalpels on Amazon. So here are my cabinets, girl. And real quick, give this video a thumbs up if you guys are liking the detailed talk through and links to the ordering abilities. Here are some bowls that I use. I'll link those as well. Even the gloves that I order. The Aveda brushes that I use. The roller, the gouache stone. I'll link all of that. This is a galvanic towel warmer and high frequency machine. I don't use that. It also has a steamer. I mainly use this one because it's a little bit more portable, and I love how well it works, girl. It works so good. I do use the other machine mainly for high frequency, but when I got here, the towel warmer portion was broke on it. This rug is super cute. I recommend some type of rug if you have carpeting because you're going to drop a lot of water and oil everywhere. Just telling you from experience. I'll link some of my clocks as well because that is one thing. So notice I keep a clock at the end so I can keep track of my time so I never run over on appointments. I also have more storage options over here and a nice little gray table and some shrubbery that is all fake because I can't have real plants in my room. I don't have any windows. Some of the books that I reference as well, like the Milady definitions book, popsicle sticks that I order. I got this. I actually got that refrigerator from a thrift store. Frames you can get on Amazon, and I recommend it because it's so much cheaper than Hobby Lobby. And I mean, really, that's just the vibe of the room. Something that we haven't talked about particularly yet is the saddle chair. So I really enjoy this chair. It's just so comfortable and it keeps my posture upright. You want to, you know, preserve your back, girl. Also, the LED lights that you notice on the floor, I just didn't want to hang those up, so I just strung them about on the floor. It's actually my son's idea, so shout out to my son. The plants and shrubbery I'll link as well. The mirror over there on the wall I'll link. And just trying to really give you guys the best idea of what it probably will cost you. I did not purchase all of this stuff at once. This treatment table was already here, but I have the exact same one in my home. And I'm telling you, I love it. I asked for it as a graduation gift. So you may want to put together a Amazon wish list for when you graduate, because that's something that I did. And believe it or not, I got a couple things. So also, let's talk about the bolster. And I have a memory foam pillow that just adds a little extra pizzazz. When people sit down and when they see my room, they're always taken back. Other things that I don't have mentioned here are robes and towels. So I hope you guys like this. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. It lets me know that you like these kind of videos. Also helps me in the YouTube algorithm because, you know, sometimes you be hating. So please give the thumbs up. And you don't have to go anywhere. I have amazing videos right here for you. I have a nice little playlist. You can binge me all day. So check it out right there. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.